Hello friends, मैं हूँ जय शाह. I am Jay Shah, and thanks to all my subscribers who are new, and my channel is new, and thanks for subscribing. And today I will just say you 3 basic things for handwriting. First, how to sit to write. Does handwriting matters? And the third one is what stationery to use for the beginners. Okay. Mm, Many people have a complaint that they have a bad handwriting from small to big, class 3, 4, 5, 6 to 60 years. I have students in this range. So first, how to sit I will show you later. Does handwriting matter? Yes, handwriting matters. When you have a bad handwriting, what happens? The teacher struggles. Oh, what he has written. Then you get low marks when you are in small classes. The basic start from the small classes when you go upwards. You may be a doctor, engineer, or anything in your later stage. What happens? At a time, you have an impression that, oh, I don't have a good handwriting. It happens. It's a logic. But you can improve it. For the students who are small, like class 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, how to sit, what paper to use to practice, how to write the alphabets, how to hold the pencil. I will make a video. I will show you right now. And the second thing, yes, stationery is most important. If you use from the first time pen or roller balls or gel pen or any cheap, the cheap one, we call it the normal pen. Okay, what do you call in English? I don't know. We call it sada pen bolte isko. Let's take the example of ₹3 pen we have in Indian market, the Agni gel, but it's not gel pen, it's a ball pen. To be definite, I say the word ball pen. I don't prefer it for the beginners who will start. But I see right now, few parents and all that, they give their kids the ball pen. Okay, I will make a video on that. First one, use pencil. Second, use fountain pen. Third, use nibs. Okay, nibs will come later. They are not available right now. And right now I will show you how to sit, how to hold the pen, and how to write, and the proper tools to write. Okay, let's start. So as you can see, this is my place to write. I've just come to a place. This is a table. This one is the ink. And this one is my sheet. Okay, papers on which I write. These are the basic tools to write. Okay, and you can see this is the height and this is the stool to sit. Okay, I am sitting it right now, and you can see my hand. This is my hand is totally on the table. The copy is right here. I see many people just holds the copy in a straight position like this. No, it's wrong. Turn your copy to the left, extreme left, and your hand over here. I'm placing the camera. Wait. Yeah, this is the position. My hand is straight, and keep your paper or your sheet or your copybook on the extreme left. Okay, and whatever you write, this one is the sheet. Okay, you can see I am keeping my left hand right here, left hand. Okay, let me turn the camera here. So I have to place it like this. You can see this finger and this one. This is the angle. Sorry, you can see the cut mark here. It happened when I was making my oblique holder. Okay. So when you will just write, try to place your hand like this. You can see this angle, this one, and this hand, this finger, the angle. You can see this is the angle made. Okay. So this sheet is 4.5 mm and it's 55 degrees. Okay, so it's a pencil, and this is the basic stationery we use, and I have used the Black Beauty extra dark. Okay, child safe paint. This is a paint made and it's written child safe paint. Try to purchase this because they are very good and it will not harm your kid. Okay, and the second one is this one. This is the Yermel 58C fountain pen with which I write. This one is a fountain pen. You can see the nib. Okay, you can see the nib. Okay, you have to just pour the ink here and you can write easily. This is the stationery. Got it? And this one is the last stage, the nibs for later stage, and this one is the ink for the nib. I have not taken the ball pen or any roller ball or any gel pen. I see many videos in YouTube, they prefer the ball pen or the gel pen, but I don't prefer because ball pens have no grip on the paper. Pencils also, all pencils don't have grip on paper. Like the normal pencil, the HB have no grip. They are just slippery and they are very sharp. For this you can use the charcoal pencil or the extra dark or the 4B pencil. Okay, they are deeper and they will just grip on the paper. And how to hold the pen or pencil, you can see this is the sharpened part. You can see the white part. Just keep your finger right here on the sharpened part. This is the position, and keep this finger. Sorry, my nails and finger are okay, but they are all filled of ink, so this one looks like this. Keep your finger right here, this finger, and keep your thumb right here. You see this joint, everyone have this joint. Place it here like this. Okay, and every pencil have these linings, this type of linings for the grip. Okay, they are scientifically made, this one. And rest your pencil in this part, this is a very soft part. Rest your pencil or pen in this part so that you have a good comfort on your pencil. And keep your left hand like this. Whenever you will write anything for the beginners, you just practice like this. Don't apply any kind of pressure on your right hand. Okay, what is the use of left hand? Apply the pressure of your body on your left hand like this and release the pressure on your right hand. Then your writing will be very nice like this. Okay, I am not applying any kind of pressure. I wrote A. It might not be clear because I wrote with a pencil. Okay, but when you release this hand or keep it aside, then you will try to apply much pressure on your right hand, and that will hamper your writing. First, for the beginners who will just start learning the slant cursive, I am using this paper. Okay, this one is for slant cursive. Okay, and as you can see, this one is the Yermel 58C. This is a fountain pen. This one is the best, I guess. I have used the Parker and all this, but this one is much cheaper and of high quality. You can use it, and to purchase it you can just contact me. And the nib is very fine, the brass nib. This has a good grip on the paper, like this you can see. Let me place it in my hand. Okay, as you can see, I am not applying any kind of pressure on my right hand. So this one is the basic rule. Let's write the small alphabet A. Do not apply any pressure. I have seen many students who just apply much pressure. This finger is just deep inside this part. Okay, so don't do this, and sit correctly, straight in a straight position. Keep your body straight and keep your hands on the paper and the table. And lastly, I will write with this nib and the holder. This holder I made myself. This holder, I know many people just ask me, what is this? This one is called oblique holder, because you can see this is the flange and this is the nib inserted, and you can just remove the nib like this. Okay, this one is the nib. It's a vintage nib. Okay, just keep it, slowly insert it, slowly, don't harm the nib, slowly insert it, keep the perfect angle. This is the ink, dip it slowly, let the nib drink the ink, take out the extra ink like this, keep it aside, and hold your pen like this. Okay, then this will write like this. Okay, this is the writing of a nib, and this one is a Bros PF nib. You can see the writing. Okay, let me write something else. In this dip pen, you have to dip it till the ink is in the nib. You can see I am writing. I am just placing my hand little bit here, because if I place it here, you can't see it. But I am still applying the pressure on the left hand, as you can see. You write slowly. Think before you do anything. I'll not write the anything. You just see it. I'm zooming in out. You can see how it looks. See the ink, the flow of the ink, the shape of the alphabets. Okay. And I will make later videos, updated videos, as my channel is new. And thanks all of you for watching, and if anyone wants to learn from me, I will give my WhatsApp number and my calling number. You can contact me for online classes. Thanks. Bye now. Let's meet with another video. Thank you.